have my UCAT right here. Let me just move the screen a bit. There we go. Okay, I need to be in the circle. There we go. So, if you don't know already, the UCAT exam is the medicine entrance exam for a lot of medical schools, and that's why I'm revising for it at the moment because I have it in 9 days, which is insane. But hopefully we can get through it and hopefully do well. So that's what all these revision sessions have been for so far. But yes, I would like to be a doctor. That's the main reason I'm doing this exam. Yeah, okay. So my plan is I'm going to do a bit of practice and then I'm just going to go straight into a mock and see how it goes. And then I'll just analyze a bit. So if you might remember from my previous session, I had done the UCAT mock 1 on the Medify website. So you can tell over here, these are the mocks I've completed so far. I've done quite a few now. So, I mean, there's no way I'm going to be able to do all of these in 9 days, but I can try and get through as many of them as I can. So, what I've been doing is after that first mock that I had, which I didn't do the best in, so I was like, okay, I need to like do better now. I did 3 more mocks after that one. So I did mock 1 on stream. Then I did mock 2, mock 3, and mock 4 in my own time. And for each mock that I did, I wrote myself notes in things to improve each time. So I would be like looking at the questions that I got wrong and seeing any common errors and like common patterns that I might need to improve for next time. And you know what? It's been working quite well. Like each time I do another mock now, I usually do better in the sections I did worse in the last one. So like each time I'm trying to focus on the section that I did worst in, and then like I can hopefully get better at the sections one by one. So yeah, my aim today is to get through mock 5, so this one right here, and hopefully do like semi decently. I don't have a specific number in mind in what I want to achieve, but as long as I can get like, you know, when you get the results of like a mock, if I just go back to this one, the one that I did on stream last time, I managed to get 613 verbal reasoning, 720 in decision making, 600 quantitative reasoning, and then abstract reasoning 570. So my aim is to just get higher than all of those this time. And if I can do that, I'll be happy. And hopefully try and not get any of these red standard deviation graphs. Hopefully try and get blue or green. That would be like ideal. Yeah, so we're definitely going to have to improve the abstract reasoning 570. So I'm going to start off by just doing some abstract reasoning practice just to like get better at abstract reasoning. What scores did you get in the other mocks? So let me just show you. So for mock 2, I managed to do considerably better than mock 1. These were the scores that I got. I managed to get 750 in decision making and 730 in QR. That honestly still blew my mind. This exam went really, really well, and I'm so grateful that it went this well. I don't know how it happened. Like afterwards, I was like, what is going on? How did I do this well? Even VR, I got 670, which is like amazing. But I could tell from this one that abstract reasoning was the one I had to properly focus on. So for next time, I practice a lot of abstract reasoning. So then when I got to mock 3, when I did mock 3, my main aim was to get that abstract reasoning number up. And even though I didn't do as well on the other sections, I managed to do really, really well in abstract reasoning this time. And I got a band 1 in situational judgment. So that was a win as well for me. Even though overall I did less, I managed to do considerably better in the ones I did worse in. And then mock 4 was a bit of a failure. It wasn't bad, but like it just... Okay, actually, now I'm looking at it. Verbal reasoning was really good. Decision making was okay. And then QR and AR are just a bit like average. But the situational judgment is horrific. Band 4. I don't know the last time I've gotten a band 4, but that is just awful. So if we can improve that as well, hopefully get a band 2 or band 1, because band 4 is the lowest you can get. And that's just shocking. I don't know what happened. It was like late at night and I just was zoning out through the exam. That's my excuse. So yeah, hopefully I can improve from those scores, and if I can do that, then I'll be grateful. That's all I need to do today. So We are going to start off with some cheeky AR, abstract reasoning. So we're just going to get straight to the practice. As you can see, I've done quite a bit of practice on all the different sections, but nowadays I don't really do much practice. I just go straight to mocks nowadays because I only have 9 days. I don't have the time to be chilling here doing practice questions. I need to do like the actual proper tests now. So you know what? A lot of people say that timing is really bad for abstract reasoning, but I don't find it as big of a problem. I find it bigger, like I find it more difficult to work with timing in VR, which is like understandable because it's VR. VR is horrible, but abstract reasoning I can usually do pretty fast. The only difficulty is for abstract reasoning is I can never get the rules sometimes, especially like those really weird symmetry rules or like the ones where you have to know that like a circle is worth 1 point and like a triangle is worth 2 points and you have to add them up and get like a specific number and stuff. That's like that's just strange, to be honest. What score do you need? Honestly, it depends on the university. They all have different cutoff scores and they change every year as well. So there's no exact score that you need for this exam. It's just whatever score that you get, you can use that score to identify which unis you're going to apply to. So ideally, in my real thing, I want to try and get 2,900, like somewhere around there. If I get that, I would be like so happy. That's like my aim. If I can do that, that would be great. So far I'm not getting close to 2,900. I think the highest I've gotten is 2,750 from Mock 2, but I still have a lot of improvement that I need to do. So hopefully we can get a bit of an improvement in the stream, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So let's just do some untimed practice for now and just see how this turns out. Just because I want to get used to like identifying rules. That's probably my biggest issue with abstract reasoning. So I think I might start the actual mock at 6 o'clock, so 22 minutes from now. I'll see, because then I can go from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock doing the mock exam, and then probably spend 8 to 8:30 ish doing some like reviewing of the mock and whatever. But I'll see. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the outer shape loses a side. So in this case, it would be a triangle. And then 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be an octagon. Okay, it's that one. What is this? So off the bat, there's a square in all of set A, and there's a rectangle in all of set B. But I know there's definitely a second rule in here as well, hiding somewhere, but I can't tell where it is. So there's a square in all of set A, but I can't see why some of the shapes are inside the square and sometimes they're not. Is that like that might just be a distractor. It might not even be relevant to the question, but I think it might. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. That doesn't help. Okay, I'm just going to use my logic of rectangles and squares and try and use that to get these ones, but I definitely don't think I would get all of them correct. I'm definitely okay, well this one's 100% neither. I don't think I'm gonna get all the marks for that one. Okay. Top left stays the same color. Oh wait, no, that's not true. Never mind. I think they're like so these two swap and the pentagon goes upside down. So in this one, the what do you call that again? Is that a rhombus parallelogram? I can't remember. That flips around and comes to the bottom left of the screen. So it would have to be, it's either B or D. I can't tell out of these two though. What's the difference? Oh, one of them has a hexagon, one of them has a, oh wait, no, it's just the orientation of the hexagon. So it comes around and then it rotates 90 degrees. So it would be this one. Okay. Once again, I think it's clear that set A can't have a black shape, but there's definitely more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. What? Huh? I can't lie, I don't see a rule here. Like, apart from the white and black, I can't see anything else. So there's 3 circles in this one. There's 1 circle here. There's 2 circles here. 2 circles again. There's always... Oh, wait, no, that's not true. In some of them, there's more triangles, and other ones, there's more circles, so that doesn't help. It could perhaps be, like, where the arrows are positioned on the square, maybe. Honestly, I don't have the... Oh, actually, no, I've got unlimited time here. I might try and work out what it is. I can't tell what the difference is between A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So it's definitely to do with the position of the like this thing over here, this arrow thing. If there's more triangles and circles, nah, that's not it. Okay, I'm actually lost. I'm gonna go for A. I'm just guessing at this point. And then this one has to be either A or D. Oh wait, no, it has to be D. Oh, okay, that one's quite straightforward. It's either A or B again. But once again, I don't see the rule here. I swear these two are the same thing. Oh, wait, I just realized. The arrows... Oh, so if you look at the arrows here, one of the arrows overlaps the other one. I didn't even notice this. I think that might be part of the rule. So if there's more circles and triangles, the upwards facing arrow is going to be underneath. And if there's more triangles and circles, it's above. Does that work? That works for this one. Okay, I think that's the rule. Okay, I think I got it. So for this one, more triangles than circles means it has to be underneath. Then for this one I got. This one, once again, it's the same thing. This time there's more triangles than circles, so it's going to be above. Then, okay, is there a difference in the rule here? More triangles than circles, it's above. More circles, it's below. Okay. So once again, it has to be either... Oh, it can be any of these this time. But because we know that if there's more triangles than circles, it has to be above, then that means it has to be this one. And then this is probably not the most interesting thing in the world at the moment, me just doing some abstract reasoning questions, but after this I'll try and do a mock. Maybe a bit more practice and then I'll do a mock. Okay, so it's the same thing. Once again, there's more triangles than circles. No, it's the same amount. What do you do when there's the same amount of each? They have not addressed that in the thing. Oh wait, actually no, this one there's more. There's more triangles in this one than circles. So it has to be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it can't be this one. Okay, now I'm actually seriously confused. I think it's A, but I'm not entirely sure. And then this one definitely looks like it's either intersections or enclosed spaces of some sort. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm lost. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Maybe it's the fact that it's making a triangle here, and here it's making some sort of rectangle or quadrilateral of some sort. I think that's it. Yeah, this one makes a oh wait, no, both of these make a triangle though. But this one doesn't make a quadrilateral, this one here. And this one, we need a quadrilateral, but not a triangle. And then this one, we want just a triangle, so that's this one. And then we want just a quadrilateral. Okay, I'm getting a bit used to it now. Last one, I think. Just a triangle. There we go. Okay, I actually am quite confident with this. I actually managed to get, I think, all of the rows. I think all of them. What can I say? That is actually so satisfying. Then again, I had infinite time, so that might be the reason. But yeah, this makes me very happy. But watching the real thing, this is not going to be the case. How much UCAT practice are you doing off stream? Quite a bit actually. I like it's mostly just doing mock exams and the occasional mini mock exams as well. It's just been switching between mocks and mini mock exams. So I've just been doing those as much as I can. I've been trying to like when I wake up I'd do like a mock and then when I go to sleep I'd do like some more questions as well. So yes. This okay, this is good. This is a good sign so far. I just want to see, was it this one? It was this one, I think. I want to see what the okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. I think should we just go straight to a mock right now? I'm just like as you can tell right now, if I got 100% before, right, I would be like so happy and I'd be like through the roof with excitement. Now I just got a casual 100% in probably one of the most difficult sections, and it's just it doesn't affect my mind. Not because I think that I'm like complacent and stuff now. It's just the fact that it doesn't mean anything anymore because sometimes I'd get 100% and sometimes I'd get 0%. So it's like I've just gotten used to just seeing a really random scores at this point that I just don't care anymore. So like I've done so much practice of this that it's kind of like desensitized me. That's why I'm wishing for this exam to be over. 9 more days and then I can stop worrying about this. It's been such a crazy journey, this exam. I never knew an exam could be this annoying, but yeah. Let's do some more practice. Maybe I might do like a teeny weeny bit of you know what? I think I should just get straight into it. Maybe I might do a bit of probability because this is probably my weakest section of DM purely because I just run out of time, so I don't have the time to like even attempt these questions, but I'll do this one single question and see if it's good or if I need to do a bit more practice on probability. I've used this piece of paper already, so I need to get a new one. My aim is now to do a mock every single day. I don't know if it's going to happen, but so far it's going pretty well. I'm sticking to it, sort of, but let's see. Okay, so we've got West Library here and we've got East Library, and they have an equal number of book vending machines, which are not always available to use. Every week, 90% of the book vending machines in West Library are available. I can't speak, available. And 2 out of the 10 of the book vending machines in East Library are not available. So that means there's an 80% chance in East Library that there is one available. So I'll write that down. 90% for West and then 80% for East. Probability that an available machine will work in any given week is 95% for West Library, but it's the same. It's also 95% in the other one. Okay, so that doesn't matter. It's just the fact that one of them has a higher availability. So is it best to visit West Library to collect a book from the vending machine? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Yes. West Library has more chance of a working machine. No, it's just got the more available machines, that's it. Okay, that was surprisingly easier than I expected. Yay, let's go. This one I'm actually happy about. I'm more happy that I got this question right than the entirety of that abstract reasoning session. So, yeah. Those questions I can never get right for some reason. I just flop them consistently. I don't know why. It just happens. Mainly because I don't have time, so I just end up not doing it. But let's go to UCAT mock number 5. Oh my gosh, how has it already been 5 of these? That's insane. So I am going to be here for 2 hours again, attempting this mock. VR, then DM, then QR, then AR, and then SJT to finish. And then we can see if I made any improvement since I think it was last week that I uploaded the other UCAT preparation session. If I get worse than last time, I'm actually going to be really sad, but I'm really, really hoping we do well here. So yeah, let's just begin, to be honest. I don't even want to do any more practice. I think the only part that I'm a bit worried about is verbal reasoning, because I haven't looked at verbal reasoning enough, and it's just that section that can either go well or not, depending on how the questions are and how like the texts are. Sometimes the texts are really nice, and other times they just make no sense. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Why is it taking so long to load? Oh, there we go. That's always what I like to see. Let me just move my thing in case you want to just have a read of what it says. That's the overall structure of a UCAT exam. Where would my webcam be best? Over here? I think that's good, right? Let me just go back to oh wait, no. I can't do that now. I've already entered this. Okay, it's fine. I'll just leave it here in the corner. I think this would be good. I don't know. I have no clue where to put it. I just have that there, and I'll have the UCAT date thing here as well, just in case. Practice makes permanence. Is that a thing? I've never heard that. I've always heard practice makes perfect. Oh yeah, best of luck with your GCSEs. August 24th. It's actually getting really close. Mine was August 26th. No, 25th back in the day. That was it felt like ages ago. It didn't feel like a year before. That's insane. Anyways, I think we should just start. Actually, I'll wait a tiny bit. I don't wanna start this right now. I've got a blank piece of paper here, apart from the 90 and 80% I wrote before, but I'm just hoping that I do better this time than last time. Like last time I didn't do that badly, but I just want to improve. I've put too much effort to not get any sort of improvement. If I just do the same or I get worse, then I'll just be a bit like, what was all that revision for? Not even revision, practice. You can't even revise for this exam. It's just strange, this exam. I don't like it. Um, yeah, let me just fix the camera. I don't think it needs to be that zoomed in. I think that's good. We're gonna be doing 2023 UCAT mock number 5 today. So let's do it. There we go. I've got my tea here. I might need to get my chocolate again. I still have the same dark chocolate that I had last time, just sitting around, just to like nibble on when I'm doing my practice. Okay, I'm gonna stop wasting time. I keep on stalling, so let's just get straight into it. I might actually, you know what I've been doing recently? I don't know if you remember back in when I made like that video about what was it? These glasses. I don't know if you remember these. Should I do the classic YouTube thing? Wait, is this gonna work? Oh, there we go. These glasses, right? I've been using them quite a bit recently because like sometimes I'm staring at the screen for ages, like hours on end. And with this, my eyes just they don't feel like they don't feel as tired because like that's one thing I hate about this exam, how it's all online. So the fact that I'm like sitting for hours doing questions, it can be just annoying sometimes. And like by the end, I'll just have like this headache. So I'm gonna wear this time. Hopefully, it might actually make me do better. I don't know. I don't think it will, but at least I won't be zoning out as much. I think I can focus better with these glasses on. But it might just be some placebo effect or something. And also, I think it looks cool. Okay. I think I should start now. I think this is what I've been doing the stream for. I need to actually start it now. I've been stalling for like 10 minutes now. So, verbal reasoning. True, false, can't tell. Let me just quickly look at my targets from last time and what I said about myself that I need to improve. I need to improve my ability to scan for information. I need to not spend too long on a singular question. And I just didn't put a target for this one. Okay. So I think my main aim for today, for this section, is to work fast because recently my accuracy has improved quite a lot, but I've just realized that I'm spending way too long on one single question because I can't find one piece of information. So my aim this time is to just go for it. If I think it's right, I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna move on. So let's see how this goes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this. So I'm probably not going to be talking for a bit as I try and do this section. The clinic's reputation is based on this doctor and the patient. Honestly, I don't like this text. I'm going to move on. Spending way too long on this question again. I think it's this one, but I'm not entirely sure. It might be that all the other ones don't seem right. What? Okay, I'm actually a bit lost here. Toothpaste is unaffordable for the poor, so I'm going to go for that. Okay. Um, I'm a bit confused about this one. This one was a guess. I think it's going well so far. I'm actually lost for this one. I don't see Australia or Rapa Nui anywhere. I'm looking for those two right now because I know it's between those two, but I can't find any of them in the text. I think I'm wasting a little too much time on this. I'm gonna go for Australia. Oh wait, Easter Island is Rapa Nui. Okay, yeah, it's that one. I can't lie, I don't see the answer for this one anywhere, so I'm just gonna guess. Um, Let me go for this one. Okay, I don't know, I actually don't. I've just realized how far behind I am in terms of timing. What? Okay, this one's either false or can't tell. I don't think this one's true. I'm gonna go for false. That I'm not doing. I know I'm gonna get all of those wrong. But it's true false though. Who cares? I don't have time. Oh, this one's weird. Cats are able to vocalize how they're feeling. It says that they can vocalize, but if they can vocalize, obviously they can vocalize how they're feeling, right? I don't know. I'm gonna say true actually. Oh, this one actually might be can't tell because that's a 2007 study, and then there's a 2010 study. Yeah, okay. I don't think I'm getting this one right either. Oh, nah. I am skipping a load of these. Oh, it could be actually B for this one. It says medium confidence for. I don't know. I actually don't. I'm gonna change it again. Surely it's just that one. Okay, we have a lot of questions that we need to do in 2 minutes. I am now guessing all of them. I'm trying to see if I can find in the text before I guess. Oh, except. Oh, wait, no, I can't check. Oh, great. There we go. Is this World War One or two? Oh, it is World War Two. Oh, I'm actually just guessing all of these. Um. Oh wait, no, I changed the. Oh no, I accidentally changed an answer that I originally put. Oh, great. Okay, that was a bit of a shambles. Timing once again was an issue, but I mean that was VR. Um, yeah, I'm doing a mock at the moment, and by the looks of it, I don't know. I'm not feeling good about VR right now, but hopefully, what did we get last time? I can't remember. Let me just double check. Um, so by the way, the mock right now is paused. Like if I don't click OK, it just stays like that for Medify. So I can literally just not worry about that. I think for the one that I did last time, I got 630. Hopefully you can beat that or get the same because I don't think we're gonna beat it actually. I hope we do, but I'll have to see. Okay, next up, decision making. Okay, This section can either go really well or really badly, depending on like what the first couple yes/no questions are. If they take too much of my time, then it's gonna be difficult, but hopefully we can get through them fast and then do the rest easily. I've got my pencil here and my piece of paper because I'm probably going to be writing quite a few things down for this section, especially when you get to the logical puzzles, but let's see. Let's see how this goes. Okay. That is long. Just having an idea of what's to come. And it doesn't look too bad, so I think it's doable. There's a lot of information here. Susan wore a pink tie, therefore she doesn't have a class ring. Everyone in the pink house transfers to a different international school to graduate. Yes, I think. Okay, what is going on? A graduate with the gold ring is more likely to have a black tie than those with black ties are more likely to receive distinctions. So if they have a gold ring, then they're more likely to be a black tie. I think that's what he's trying to say. I don't think that's true. I think I'm gonna say no for that. That's a guess though. I'm gonna see this and see it's wrong, but it's fine. I just want to get this question over with because this is quite a long one. No, I think for this one. Okay. I think this is it. I'm gonna have to come back to this question, but we already wasted a minute or so on that. All fruits are round. All fruits that are round have seeds. Potatoes don't have seeds. Potato is a fruit, not necessarily. In this case, potato is not a fruit. Also, not necessarily. It could be a fruit in this scenario. If a potato is round, it cannot be a fruit. If the fruit is round, it has to have seeds, but the potato doesn't have seeds. So, okay, yeah, that one works. Any potato is either a fruit or is round. Um, all fruits that are round have seeds. So if it's a fruit, then it cannot be round. If it's round, it can't be a fruit. Okay, but it could be neither. It could just, yeah, it could be neither actually. If a potato is a fruit, it is not round. Yes. Yeah, okay, there we go. I'm actually quite confident with that one. Oh no. Is this some like quantum physics thing? What? Okay, great. I'm not even gonna try pronounce these. There's so many words here that I can't distinguish what is what. I'm gonna have to write it down. So Q equals F. Actually, no, Q arrow F. I'm just writing some rubbish down. Okay, that's a lot of information. No neutrinos are bosons. Just going back to my no. Yes. Um, this is wasting so much of my time, I've realized. I need to actually speed up. Um, okay, I am not looking forward to seeing my answer for that one because that's so many of these as well. Okay. Okay. Everyone else in the family goes on a school field trip, apart from the grown-ups that have jobs. So that means that all of the children are on the school field trip. Okay. That's the last one now, this one here. And then I'm done with these annoying. Well, then there's a few more afterwards as well, but I'll need to stop wasting time. That's actually evil, looking at the answers whilst I'm doing the work. Oh no. Great. Okay, looks like no. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna speed up a bit. This is where I can get a bit faster. So I'm gonna skip all the logical puzzles just because I don't think I have time. Should social media involve more checks to confirm age to help ensure the safety of children? Okay. I'm actually lost. I don't think it's number one. It's definitely not number two. It could be number three. I think it's C or A. It could actually be A. That doesn't talk about safety of children though. Okay, this one. Hello. I'm currently doing a mock right now, that's why I'm in deep focus. Valentine's a commercial holiday. Okay. Um. Okay. That's a strange question. Should university student union bars be open every day of the week? Oh. A. Oh. Children learn well in primary school, and so will probably retain. It's probably this one. Probably retain. Though. That's a assumption. Okay, I'm gonna go for D. Okay, bye. Best of luck with your stuff. I'm gonna be doing my stuff here as well, which is this exam. Oh no, more of these. Great, my favorite. Oh, there's so many of them as well. Okay. What? Okay, time to do some calculator work then. 45 plus 25 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. 105. Um, counted all the marine animals. I'm just trying to see if there's a trick here. Only contains 105 marine animals. But it could contain other stuff that aren't marine animals. It contains. Okay, I'll give it to it. I'm just being very cautious. The smallest marine animal is also the marine animal most frequently found by the marine biologist. We don't know anything about size, do we? No. The marine biologist found that there are only 5 blue whales in the ocean. Incorrect. That's only a segment of the ocean, so shush. Excluding plankton, half of the marine animals in this segment of the ocean are blue whales and starfish. Okay. 25 plus 5, 30 plus. Oh, okay, I think that's true. Total number of fish that the marine biologist found. Surely, can we assume what a fish is in this scenario? Are we allowed to assume that? Wait, what? 25 plus 15 is 40. Is okay, I don't know this question now. I don't know if we're allowed to assume that. I'm gonna give it to them. Total number of fish that the marine biologist found. Actually, no, I'm not gonna give it to them because it's not in this specific segment. I just know I'm gonna get this one wrong. There's just too many random stuff here. It's not even that difficult. Most of the saloon cars have four-wheel drive. Many of the hatchback cars have been modified, but none of the estate cars have been modified. Okay. What is going on? Oh no, I think this section's also going to shambles. Okay, I need to calm down. None of the estate cars have four-wheel drive. It says that none of the estate cars have been modified. Most of the saloon cars have a four-wheel drive of the mod. Okay, so we can't assume that. It doesn't give any information. Why is it not letting me... Wait a minute. Do you guys see this? It's not letting me do the answers. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's working now, okay. Some of the saloon cars have been modified. Most of the saloon cars are four-wheel drive. Many of the hatchback cars have been modified, but none of the estate cars. What? Of the modified cars, many have a four-wheel drive, and those who do not have a four-wheel... I think we can say yes. No, we're not going to say yes, actually. Michael has a saloon car at this car show. It probably has a four-wheel drive. Yes. Yes, we can assume that. Steve has a three-door car at the window at the show. It must only have a two-wheel drive. Huh? Steve has a three-door car, so that's over here. Those that do not have a four-wheel drive are three-door cars. He has a three-door car. That we're gonna say no as well. Jane has a four-wheel drive hatchback at the snow. It cannot have three doors. Also, I'm gonna say no because just that's only for the modified cars. Okay, I think I might get partial marks for this one. You know what, timing-wise, I actually think I might have it here. A cat in the zoo with spots cannot be a tiger or a lion. Fur of the leopards has spots and no stripes. Tiger's fur always has stripes. Does not have spots. Some lions have non-patterned fur. Doesn't say anything about... Oh, tiger doesn't have spots. Lions only have non-patterned or striped. Yes. Yes, we're going to say that. Why is it doing this? It's not actually letting me... It's wasting my time. Look at this. I don't know if you guys see that. It's doing the same thing again. Okay, this is a joke. What is going on? There we go. I think that's yes. None of the other ones have spots. Yes, I'm gonna say yes for this one. Kinda zoo with stripes will always be a tiger. No, because lions have stripes as well, some of them. I think it said, yeah. Oh no, not another paragraph. Okay, human males who share a common paternal ancestor who also share a similar Y chromosome because they are only passed on from fathers to sons. Differences on the Y chromosome accumulate over time in form of mutations. Since the mutation rate of the Y chromosome is relatively constant, roughly 2 per generation, scientists can estimate the amount of time passed since two men had a common ancestor. The Y chromosome determines the sex of the offspring produced as its. Oh no, okay, what? By analyzing the Y chromosome of an ancient king, we can work out who from the male lineage is closest by the way of genetic descent to inheriting the throne. Yes. Oh, it's doing it again. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Okay, there we go. Where is Simon? Oh, it's just like hypothetical. Okay, there we go. Let's do this Venn diagram question. These should be easy. A bakery produces glucose and lactose-free food. All bagels are gluten-free, while some bread is gluten-free or lactose-free. Okay, I regret what I just said. What is going on? Gluten and lactose-free food. Bagels are gluten-free, while some bread is gluten-free or lactose-free. No croissants are lactose-free, but okay, I'm gonna have to draw this stuff out. We've got glucose, gluten and lactose-free foods. I think you can have both gluten-free. None of the items can be both gluten-free or lactose-free, so you can't have both actually. But you can have bagels that are gluten-free. What? Okay. Okay, I think I got it. So you have to have one on the inside like that. That's the glucose-free one. I mean, I keep on saying glucose, gluten-free. That's the bagels. Then some bread is gluten-free or lactose-free, so that's that. No croissants are lactose-free, but some are glucose-free. I think it's this one. Oh, it might actually be this one. Let's change our answer. Let's say that one. How many books over 1,000 pages are available for extended loan? Where does it say? Oh, here. Okay, all of these are over 1,000 pages. Available for extended loan. That would be the circle. Oh, so you just add up the numbers in the circle. That's strangely easy. 106. I don't think that's right. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time here, but I just feel like that's wrong. All biochemistry students take both biology and chemistry. Where no, some biology students take chemistry and all chemistry students take biology. Okay, so these are biochemistry students. That's biology, that's chemistry. Some biology students. No, it's not this one. Okay, you know what? This isn't looking good so far. I'm actually getting really confused with these. I said that this was going to be the easy side, but I'm not really, it's not looking like it. This one can't be right, surely. What are these weird circles here? I don't think they represent anything. I think it's this one. No, it can't be this one. It has to be this one, I think. Either this one or that one. Okay, I'm gonna have to go for that. Managers. Where are the managers? Only managers are trained in at least all of first aid, fire marshalling, and moving and handling. And it's not going to tell me which is which. Thank you. This is going to be long, and I have seven questions. I don't have time. I'm gonna have to guess. Three. What is this? I can't lie. DM has been horrible this time. We don't have any time. I'm like reading this and none of it's registering into my head. So time to guess. There we go. Toys and clothes. So that's this one. Without saving any, so I think it's just 14. Okay, time for some cheeky probability in the last 3 seconds. Pretty much, 1.5 minutes. Oh, I haven't done any of the questions in the start as well. Great. Oh, this is horrible. Okay, I'm guessing again. I literally don't have time. 40 toys per hour, but 10% are rejected. So it's 36 toys from employee A, and then zero point 0.6 times 65. Okay, this one makes slightly more employee B. Okay, I'm guessing again. What? Okay, I've got 4 more questions to do in 18 seconds, and I can't actually. I'm usually so much better at this section in terms of timing. I am surprised that I didn't have time to do all of the logical puzzles. Oh, that was horrible. DM is usually my best section as well. I remember for the first mock, we did really well on DM. We got like 720. I don't think that's happening this time. So that's nice. So far, so bad. Like it hasn't gone well so far. Now it's QR after this one, and honestly, I don't know if I can survive it at this point. I'm not feeling good about this test anymore. But let me just see what the comments have been because I haven't been properly paying attention to them. Yeah, I think I definitely didn't manage my time properly in this section today. I think part of it was the questions at the start really threw me off. Usually they're much shorter and easier to do, but they just started off with paragraphs and that just like that wasted so much of my time. And also all of the Venn diagram questions were complicated. All of the Venn diagram questions were much more complicated than they needed to be. So I think I was unlucky with this set of questions this time. I am just literally picking out excuses at this point, but I guess we'll just see how it goes when we check our results. And yeah, keep on getting notifications. Okay, I think we should start Q now. How long did you give yourself? Also, my UCAT is. I can't read this comment because the heart thing is blocking it. Wait, let me just check on here. I think it should show up. My UCAT is next year. When should I start based on your experience? Should I only get Medify? Honestly, I think at the time I started was a good time. So I started, I think, about 6 weeks before my test, and it's proven really well so far because I am definitely seeing an improvement. But yeah, I think 6 weeks is a good time because if you start too early, I just feel like like there'll be like a what's the thing called diminished returns or something. But like there's a peak, right? And the more questions you do, the closer you get to your peak, and you have to make sure that that peak is during your exam time, and then it's good. Like the thing is about this test is it's literally just like I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I need to 9 days time. When I see my result, then I'm going to be qualified to give advice on this because right now there's still a lot of learning needed, especially after this. This test has not gone well so far, but quantitative reasoning, let's see how it goes. How much time do I have? 41 seconds before this. You know what? I want to make it up for this section. If I can at least do well in quantitative reasoning and abstract reasoning, no matter how badly I do in the other two sections, at least I can say that there was an improvement in these two. So hopefully, hopefully I can do well in this section. Let me just need to like stand up for a bit and just like get get myself ready for this. 10 seconds. Let's do this. Need to get used to my number pad being here. 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Yes. Okay. What percentage fat is in the health drink combining O and Q ingredients of equal quantities? Okay. O and Q percentage fat. 10%, 50%. What? That's not right. Combining drinks of equal quantities. Do we not know what the quantities are though? Okay, I don't think we do. So I'm just gonna assume it's like 100. So then that would be 10%, that would be 10, that would be 50, 60%. What? Okay. Let me just guess this one and move on. I can't waste time here. Um, what proportion should P, Q, and S be mixed to make a diet having at least 60% carbohydrate at the lowest unit cost? I actually can't lie, I'm zoning out again. I can't focus on this. P, Q, and S mixed with a diet having at least 60% carbohydrate. What? Okay, I'm gonna skip this entire section. I don't care. Man hires a car and the car company charges £8 per day plus 5p per kilometer traveled. How long does it take to hire a car for 3 days? So that's 8 times 3, which is 24, 500 kilometers. So 0.05p pounds, I mean, times 500. 25 plus 24, 49. Easy. Move on. 7 days. 8 times 7, which is 56, 0.05 times 750 plus 56, 93.5, easy. A man hired a car for 2 days and had to pay £21. How far did he drive? Oh, 2 days, so that's 8, 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. £5, so 500 divided by 5. Oh, wait, what? 500 divided by 5, 100 kilometers. Wait, is that right? I feel like I made a mistake. Oh, who cares? Okay, we've got 3 pipes, 8 liters per minute, 3 liters every 3 seconds, and 20 liters every 10 minutes. So, how long does it take for the thing to fill up the tank? How big is the tank? 320 liters of sewage waste. Okay, so pipe A, I'm gonna write stuff down here. Pipe A is 8 liters per minute. Pipe B is 6 liters per minute, and pipe C is 2 liters per minute. Okay, so that's 16 liters per minute all at once. So 320 divided by 16. Oh, that's 15. Wrong one. 20 minutes. Moving on. A drain can be turned on so that automatically opens when the container is filled with 280 liters of waste. The drain expels waste at 10 liters per minute. If the drain is turned on and only pipes A and B were open, how long would the container take to fully... Okay, so A and B is 14 liters per minute at once. We've got 28 liters of waste. So at each minute we get 14 added, but we also get 10 removed, I think. So there's an overall... That doesn't make sense. What? A drain can be turned on. Okay. Drain expels waste at 10 liters per minute. If the drain is turned on and only pipes A and B were open, how long would it take the container to fully fill from empty? From empty. Okay, so to get to 280 liters of waste, that's 280 divided by 14, which is 20 minutes to start off with. But then what happens is you get the drain opening up, and so then it goes from 14, it goes to 4. So for the remainder of the 320 minus, oh whoops, I'm misclicking so many times. 280 minus, there we go. Divide that by 4, 10, 30 minutes in total. Let me just skip this advertisement on my... Okay, as a percentage, how much longer or shorter would it take to use pipes B and C rather than A and C? Okay, so B and C is 8 rather than 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 over... How do you do percentage again? 6 over the original, than using A and C. So that would be 8. That's not right. What? 25% longer, surely. Yes. Okay, got it. I'm actually like full on focus mode here. If the container is holding 200 liters, it takes 19 minutes to fill to this level. What's the combination? What? Okay, that makes sense. 200 divided by... Oh, wait. Oh, what? Okay, 200 divided by 19. So overall, that was... Okay, that doesn't help. I think we have to do it one by one. I'm going to start with D because that looks reasonable. Pipe B on for 15 minutes, so that's 6 liters times 15, 90. And then pipe A open for the rest of the 110 liters. Divide that by pipe A open, so divide that by 8. That's not right. Pipes B and C open for 10 minutes, so that's 8. 8 times 10, that's 80 liters. 80 liters first, then C closed and B continues going for the next 120 liters. Divide that by 6. 20 plus 10 is not the answer. Nope. Pipes A and C on constantly, so that's 10. 200 divided by 10, that's not right. All 3 pipes on for 6 minutes, then A closed. I think it's that one. I haven't worked it out though. Should I work it out? I'll work it out just in case. So that's 14 plus, in total, 16. 200, no, 16 times 6, 96. And then 200 minus 96. Divide that by 14. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna say this one then. I think I did the maths wrong somewhere. Yeah, okay, who cares? If the tank is a square with sides 1 meters, how deep is the sewage level when the container is full? What? If the tank is a square with sides 1 meter. I don't know what that means. If the tank is a square with sides 1 meter, how deep is the sewage level when the container is full? So when the container is full, okay, so it's a square, so 1 by 1 by 1, 1 meters cubed. Oh, wait, no, it won't be 1 by 1 by 1. It would be 1 by 1 by something, and that's what it's wanting us to work out. 1 liter holds 1,000 centimeters cubed. I don't know what to do with that information though. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna just go for 3.2 meters. That sounds reasonable. That sounds right. Okay. That looks pretty bad. I don't know if I could do this one. That also looks bad. That also looks bad. That looks horrible. Oh, all of these are bad. Okay, well, this is going to be fun. Let's just go straight back to that question that we just skipped here. What is the number of line employees with 3 to 5 years of employment who have not attended the program of financial management? Okay, so that's this one. For line employees, so that's this one, who've not attended. Oh, this is fine. 114 minus 80. 60. Surely, right? I think that's it. Oh, wait, it says both here as well. 80 plus 30, 110. Oh, they fooled me. So 60 didn't attend. 80 went for the... Okay, now I'm confused. I think it's still... Wait, what? 110 attended financial management and 60 didn't attend. Okay, so I'm right, I think. What is the total number of employees with less than 3 years of employment who've attended only one of the programs? Less than 3 years, both line and staff. So it would be 70 plus 50. I don't know what the one on the right means. The total number of employees including non-participants. What does that mean? Oh, okay. That makes sense. So I swear I'm right. 120. Less than 3 years. Now I'm lost. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Okay, I'm just gonna guess this one and move on. Who cares? There's two more of these questions as well. um, how many of the employees who attended at least one of the programs have more than 5 years of employment? What? Um, so out of the people who attended one of the programs, that would be 40. Actually, let me just add them up in batches. So 70 plus 50 plus 80 plus 140 plus 90 plus 90 again. So in total is 520. And out of those 520, we've got 180 that. Wait, what? How many of the employees who attended at least one program have more than 500 years of 5 years of employment? I don't know what I just did wrong. So I'm going to give myself this one and just hopefully move on. Shall I go for 200? Why not? And another one. What percentage of employees with more than 5 years did not attend either workshop? Okay, I think I could do this one at least. So 50 plus 40, 90, 120. So 80 for the first one. For the second one, 90 plus 110, 50. 50 for the next one didn't. In total, the number of employees we have are. Oh, wait, I just realized the people in both can also be part of. Oh, okay, that makes. Oh, that makes things make more sense now. Actually, no, I don't think that's right. 50 plus 40 plus. As you can tell, this question makes no sense. I'm probably going to get all these questions wrong on this section. So I don't know why I'm even trying. 90 plus 90 plus 50. So there's 230 people in total that attempt the thing. Wait, no, there's 360. And out of the 360, 130 over the 360. 36%. Oh, let's go. We got at least our answer was in the thing. 11 minutes to do half of the test. Okay, nice. That's good. EY22. Where is that? Oh, does that not matter? Adam has booked a flight. What is the earliest time it will leave Manchester Airport? Where is Manchester? Where does it say Manchester on this table? Or am I blind? Huh? Oh, wait, no, all of this is Manchester. And it's going. Oh, wait, no, now this makes sense. So it's this one. EY22. Surely it's just. What is the difference between departure time and local time? I think it says here. Oh, okay. 12:15 then. Surely it was there. Okay, I swear this seems much more confusing than it has to be. Four and a half hours. Okay, 1350 plus 4.5 hours. So it'd be 1420, 1820. There we go. S17126. Where is that? That's Isle of Man. 35 minutes. He arrives at 40. He arrives 35 minutes later, has a 40-minute changeover, and then comes back 35 minutes more. So that's 70 minutes plus 40 minutes. So that's 110 minutes from 15:35. So what's that? 110 minutes is 1 hour and 50 minutes. Oh, this is so confusing. 1 hour 50 minutes, so it's 2 hours minus 10 minutes. 17:25. There we go. Let's go. Why is there a 1570? Who made these questions? Oh, okay. Sarah is going to Dubai at 13:10. So this one. It's 7 hours 15 minutes. And when will she arrive in local time? 17:10 plus 7 hours 15 minutes. 17:10, 24, 24, 25. So it'd be 0025. That's not even. Oh my gosh. What? 15 minutes plus 13:10. I mean, plus 17:10. Oh, it says delayed by 10 minutes though. Then it has to be this one. Wait, is the day Wednesday on this question or is it Thursday? Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay, yeah, it's that 100%. 8 minutes. I'm just seeing like the chat being spammed right now and I'm trying not to focus. I keep on checking for some reason, but it's just wasting my time. I need to just focus on this and not look at the chat. In 1926. Hmm. I don't know how to do this. I don't know what the question's asking for. Which building was the tallest a quarter of a century after? So that was 1926 plus 25, which is 1951. Where is 1951 in the thing? Hmm? I'm gonna say this one. Royal Liver Building. There's 300 feet and 13 floors. So one floor is 23.1 feet. Easy, right? That should be fine. I feel like there must be a trick here. Oh, who cares? You know what? Timing wise, this isn't too bad. Then again, I did skip some questions at the start, so I need to not forget about those. Greatest increase in meters than the previous records. Okay. Greatest increase in meters. It's looking like this one. Kotel. I don't even want to try and pronounce that one. The embankment. That one. Oh my. Okay, this is the one I was scared about. What is going on? How much cheaper is it to purchase a monthly travel card between zones 2 and 8? 2 is 2 to 8 than buying a date anytime travel card for 31 individual days. Okay, I don't know what any of that means. Zones 2 to 8. Where is that? Okay, it's this one. Travel cards. Monthly travel card between those times. So that's £197.40. But then the day anytime travel cards is £19.60 times 31, I think. Okay, let's see that. 19.6 times 31, 607 point. How much cheaper is it? Oh, it's quite a lot cheaper. 197.4. £410.20. How is that not even? Oh, it is here. Can't read. Zoe and Robert cannot decide where to buy a house between zone 2 and 3. Okay, what? How much more is the annual travel card between zone 1 and 3 than 1 to 2? Okay, that's the part I need to focus on. 1 to 3 and 1 to 2. 1 to 3. And 1 to 3 is that, and 1 to 2 is that. Okay. This one. 200. Oh, percentage-wise. Okay, 1,168. 17.1%. More, yes. No, 17, yeah. 17.1% more. Easy. How much more expensive is a daytime, anytime? You know what? This question's not that bad. 1 to 6 travel cards, then paying cash for a single journey. Okay, 1 to 6 travel cards. Day, anytime, did it say? Then paying cash. 15.8 minus 5.3. 10.5 over the cash one, 5.3. 1.98 more. 198% more. Oh, I nearly fell for it as well. I travel from. Oh, I've never seen a first person QR question before. Zone 3 to zone 5. Okay. 3 to 5. What's the new annual travel card cost? So that's 968 times 1.025. £992.20. Easy. I'm saying that, but watch when I get the results. 2012 saw a 27.4% increase. Where is that? 2012, in earthquakes the previous year. What is the projected total for? Okay, I don't know what's going on here. So I'm just gonna guess this one. Nah, this one. Nah, this one. I'm gonna guess that one. Time to guess, and guess. Actually, I think I could get like. Oh, I could get these ones. What's the respective ratio between. Okay, there's no way I'm getting that. 25 to 24. I can't lie, I think I'm gonna have to guess all of these. Rise. Okay, it has to be a fall. Okay. There we go. Now time for the questions at the very start, which I just guessed. Oh, 4 to 1 to 1, I think. I'm just looking at which one looks the most right. O to S. I'll go for that. Yeah, I can't lie. I don't want to even do any more of these. 10 more seconds and then. Uh, okay, there's a lot of stuff going on in the chat right now. Oh, and I ran out of time as well. What a shame. Okay. Well, that was better than DM and VR, but it wasn't great. I think it was mainly the fact that I ran out of time again, as always happens for QR. I always guess the last like 8 questions or so. But yeah, I don't know. Time for abstract reasoning, which is our second to last section, and then situational judgment, which honestly I don't even like. It doesn't. I'm not scared about situational judgment anymore. I think I can consistently get band two now that it doesn't. It's not as big of a worry as it used to be. Just realized it's kind of raining outside as well. That's nice. Okay. Um, I think we should just continue. Let's do some abstract reasoning now. Just spam a few emojis in the chat. I just like doing that, it's fun. Okay, anyways, time to do abstract reasoning. Yay. I have high hopes for this section after my cheeky 100% that I got at the very start of the session. I think I could bang a high score for this one. I definitely don't think that this mock overall is going to be like, oh, that voice crack. I don't think this mock overall is going to be great, but I think it will definitely be an improvement. I hope. DM, I think I did worse than before, which is sad. But as long as I don't get those like red standard deviation graphs, I'll be fine. That's all I don't want to get. Everything else I'll be fine with. Um, yeah, 24 seconds, and then I'm doing abstract reasoning now. Which, okay, I think abstract reasoning out of all of them is the most luck based. Like, you could just be really lucky with the text, or you could just get text that either you just don't see the rule in them because you're looking at all sorts of different things. It's like it's just so all over the place, this section. Sometimes it's good, other times it's bad, but let's see how it goes today. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. What? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I can't lie. No clue. No clue whatsoever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 2 difference. That's a 1 difference. That's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it position or is it number of some sort? I am gonna have to guess through this one. We're gonna say A for this one. Oh, A as well. No, I'm gonna say neither. B. A. B. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3 of. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think my rule worked and then the last one ruined it. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's always two white, two white. No, that's not the rule. What? 3 on the right. There's always. Oh, I think I see it. I see the rule. Never mind, I don't see the rule. Oh, actually, no, I see the rule. I actually see it. So basically, let me just check if it works. Neither. That one's A. That one's A as well. That one is neither. That one is A. Oh, actually, I think I missed one of them. I think this one's B, actually. Not this one. No. Which one was it? There was one over here that I thought was B. Okay, I mean, I guess not. This one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this isn't looking good. Black, 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 white, white. When it's black, these ones are white. The one in the middle is white. No, that's not it. Okay. Um, I sort of see it. What? B, I think. Probably. A, that's 100% A. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. What? Oh, actually, no, I think I see it. Sort of. No, I don't. Never mind. I'll take that back. I think I have an idea of what the rule could be, and I'm gonna use that logic and see if it works out. I can't lie, I'm literally just guessing. I'm spam guessing at this point. Um, okay, so if it's black, it's got a cross. No, that's not it. What? If it's got a cross, it has to be grey. If it's got a no, what? What makes it like skinny and what makes it short? Oh, actually, I think I kind of get the rule for this one, but I don't entirely, and I know I don't have time to focus properly on it, so I'm gonna half guess. So if it's minus, it's skinny. If it's plus, it's like wide, but it's not like okay. Okay, what? I thought this one was to do with curviness, like curved sides. And I think it might be to do with that, but yeah, I'm gonna use that logic actually. And hopefully get it. Like this one, all of them are curved. But there's definitely a second rule in here that I'm not looking at. Oh, I can't lie, this is not looking good at all. Okay, what? Definitely A, C, or D. It's definitely not B. I can't tell what to do after that. Okay. I just realized I don't have time. I need to do these next 9 ones fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, this one's actually quite a basic one, I think. Oh wait, I didn't guess this one. There we go. Um, okay, what? I think it's to do with symmetry. Oh wait, I just looked at it. Forgot about the time. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not looking forward to this at all. This has probably been quite a interesting session today. I'm not looking forward to seeing my score now, but I've got one more section to go, and then I can finally see how appalling I must have done. I swear, those last like few seconds, they just disappear. You don't even realize. SJT time. Yeah, SJT should probably, if I get a band 2, I'll be fine. But all the other sections now have scared me, and I'm not looking forward to seeing the end result. That's the only one thing that I'm scared about now. Okay. This section I literally don't care about anymore. Like, is it? Medify Mock 5 is one of the hardest. Really? Okay, that makes me feel a lot better. Just the overall mock has just been quite a shambles. A, because I think my entire time management this time has been like flipped on its head. Usually I'm much better, but I just didn't think I was smart with the way I managed my time this time. And I think that was my main issue, I think. That, and also I kept on zoning out a lot through this test. And this happened to me yesterday as well when I was doing mock 4. I just kept on like looking at the question, just like my mind being elsewhere. So I need to do something about that as well. But anyways, before complaining about my scores, I need to see what it is first. I need to do this test before I do that. So I'm going to do that. Betty has gone into a local GP clinic to see Dr. Phillips. Betty's an elderly woman and has been prescribed life-saving medication that she must take daily. She's very forgetful and she says that she's forgotten her medicine. She regularly forgets to take it. Okay, that Betty's medication is life-saving, 100% very important. No signs of dementia or memory loss. 100% one of these two, but I don't know which one. And I want to be safe, so I'm gonna put minor importance. Actually, I put not important at all because that's not the issue at hand right now. The medication must be taken continuously for a long period of time in order to work. Very important. Okay. Alicia's a junior doctor working in A&E department Saturday evening. It's packed. Consultant in charge is starting to become very stressed with the workload. The consultant has asked Alicia to take blood from the patient, whom Alicia knows has HIV. Alicia suffered an incident at medical school where she risked exposure to HIV due to a needle stick injury. She remembers how stressful it was, and now she's very scared of taking blood. She becomes increasingly shaky and nervous, blah, blah, blah. Okay. The fact that she's becoming increasingly shaky and nervous is very important, right? Because if she does it wrong, that makes it like a detriment to the patient who's being taking the blood from. So I'm gonna say very important. I'm not the best at these though, so um must learn to take the blood. At this time, I don't think this matters right now. Right now, it's the fact that she's on A&E department and she has to do whatever. So I'm gonna put this in minor importance. The empty whiskey bottle may not. Wait, what? Oh, it's a different question. I got so confused. I was like, wait, what? Where did this come in? Okay. Jonathan is a first-year medical student who's visiting his university's local GP practice. He enjoys his placements there and hopes that the GP will give a positive report about him, but the GP has recently developed an uncharacteristic tendency to be very ill-tempered and aggressive. Jonathan is waiting in his office and notices there's an empty whiskey bottle sticking out of the drawer in the GP's desk. Either minor importance or not important at all. I'm gonna go for minor importance. If I can get half marks, that's good enough. I actually don't care at this point. GP may give Jonathan a poor report if he reports him. No one cares. Oh, that's it. Okay, new text again. I don't know why they switch text so frequently. I'd prefer a few more questions on each text. Bethany and Patricia are both foundation year 1 doctors working on a busy medical ward in a city. This is the one time, this is the one section where I don't care about the time because like the timing is so nice in this section. Bethany works during the day from 8 to 6, and then Patricia works night shifts. They have a similar workload, but Bethany is stressed because the workload is difficult, but Patricia's finding it easy. Okay. Bethany completes as many tasks as she can, so she tells Patricia that she must finish the remaining tasks for her as she's working later. Patricia finds the work much easier than Bethany. Important, I think. I'll put it as important, or it's definitely one of these two, but I don't know. Important. No, minor important. Important. Minor importance. Nah, importance. I don't know. Bethany's been going through a lot of family troubles recently. This one would be either important or very important. I'm gonna say in this situation, very important or important. I'll get half marks at least, right? Yeah, I'll say very important this time. Yeah. Ultra cancer admission test. Oh. Okay, anyways, I need to focus on the questions. The tasks are very urgent and must be completed that day. Very important. Then now I'm thinking this one might be important. I don't know. I don't know. Who cares? Ben is a young man who has come into a busy A&E department to receive treatment for a very large wound in his leg. He was stabbed in the street and is bleeding profusely. Gemma, one of the junior doctors, is assigned to treat Ben. The blood loss is making Ben very confused and disoriented. Gemma tells Ben that he would need a blood transfusion, but Ben refuses treatment. Oh, you know what? The consent questions I usually mess up. Ben is confused and disoriented. Definitely very important. Definitely will probably be a major factor in his decision-making skills. Ben is losing blood very quickly, also very important. Gemma has Shush, no one cares. Abraham is a medical student and was diagnosed with epilepsy. He has regular seizures and had one outside the hospital where he often has placements. Four of his university friends are also medical students on placement at the same hospital. They see Abraham driving onto the hospital car park and they understand that it's illegal to drive with epilepsy unless you have been free of seizures in the last 12 months. What? Okay, I'm just trying to process. So we're talking about Abraham's friends here. They've seen Abraham driving themselves. Very important. I actually don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get these ones right. He's about to sell his car. That doesn't matter at all. Okay, Dr. M is working in I don't know how to pronounce that, a local hospital and decides to go out with some of the other staff to have some drinks after work. She's not working the next day and enjoying her time off with her new work friends. That night, a patient who Dr. M has treated before comes over to her and her friends and says hello. Oh, okay. The socializing outside of a professional medical setting is strictly against GMC guidelines. 100% very important. Always very important when it's against the guidelines. No one cares about this one. Patient is... Huh? What? What? Okay. I'm sorry, that's a bit of a... I think that today this is the question of the mock. Very strange question. Okay, anyways. The patient appears to be okay. Oh, this is why I love this section. Uh, of minor importance. Unlikely to treat the patient again, not important at all. Okay. Oh, actually, you know the other one. Oops. I think the other one. Okay, accidentally printing out. Okay. I think the other one here might actually be not important at all. Who cares? I'll probably get half marks at least. Okay. This needs to stop being so zoomed in. There we go. That's a bit better. There. Stephen is a medical student on placement in an A&E awards. Once again, it's a Saturday evening, full capacity. He hears shouts from the waiting room and finds two patients having an argument. One patient is shouting at another for taking up two seats instead of one. What? What is going on? Impact of the... Yeah, this is very, very important. You don't want everyone else being stressed. Stephen's current workloads. Minor importance. Stephen is near the end of his shift. No one cares. Two junior doctors, Sarah and Hakeem, are approaching the deadline for the end of rotation audits. Sarah asks Hakeem to email her his completed audit just to see how he approached it. Blah blah blah. Sarah tends to copy work. Okay. Immediately report Sarah for attempting to plagiarize. No, nothing has happened yet. Okay. Agree to discuss his approach to the audit, but don't email any information that could. Oh, I would say it's very appropriate in this case. I don't know. Peter is a junior doctor and is about to finish a very long shift. It's currently 8 and Peter's due to finish at 8:30. Peter has been completing all of his tasks and getting ready to leave. He needs to speak to a surgical consultant about one of the patients before he leaves, and he needs him to see the patient, but he cannot find the consultant, so he asks a nurse. And the consultant's gone into surgery. They'll take 2 hours at least. Okay. Peter's very tired and is due to be at the hospital at 9 a.m. the next day. Peter lives very far from the hospital. I think wait until the consultant's available is appropriate but not ideal, actually. I think the answer might say something about the fact that it could be jeopardizing his own mental well-being or something. Who knows? I honestly have no care. Like, I don't care about this section as a whole. I don't care anymore. Leave at 8:30 as planned. How important is this thing? He needs to see the patient. Okay, I'm gonna say very inappropriate then. Ask another doctor to ensure that the consultant sees the patient once Peter has left. Appropriate but not ideal again, I think. Or maybe inappropriate but not awful. I'll go for that one actually. Leave at 8:30, but leave a letter to the consultant and telephone number. That I don't think is a bad idea. I think that might actually be very appropriate in this case. Okay, I'm gonna go for that one. Josh is a junior doctor working in A&E department. Okay, no one cares. Consultant stressed. Finishes on time to get to his children. That means that Josh has to do many of the tasks. Asks to prescribe a drug, but what? Okay. Prescribe the drugs to both patients and guess the dosage. No. What? Do not prescribe the drugs and wait. That's also bad. Ask another doctor to deal with the situation. Also bad, but I don't think as bad. Check a textbook in the hospital for the normal dosages given and use these values. I actually think that one's just as bad. Because what if, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna say a very inappropriate thing to do again. Okay, B is working on a group project which has been set to improve her study group communication skills. B has been assigned the role of taking notes at each of their meetings and notices that Adele, another member of the group, has not done the research needed and is repeatedly making unhelpful contributions. Okay, it's one of these questions again, where someone's not actually doing the work that they're meant to do. That is rude. Best that she did not speak during the meetings as her contributions are relevant. But the thing is, you're not embarrassing her in front of everyone else, so I'm gonna say not awful. But at the same time, that's quite a mean thing to say. I'll go for this one actually. During the meeting, invite other members to speak in order to reduce the number of. Inappropriate but not awful. I think you have to speak to her, right? I'll go for this one for this as well, actually. Do not take action and allow Adele time to conduct more research. Oh, I think this one might be appropriate but not ideal. For the first time, doing nothing might actually be appropriate. Maybe. I am not sure. You know, I actually really appreciate that everyone's like spamming the chat right now. We've got lots of people here today, which is good. But if I do horribly on this mock, then it's going to be a bit embarrassing. But who cares? Speak to Adele's student supervisor and explain that she's struggling. I think that's very appropriate. But no, actually, you need to speak to her first and help her speak to the student advisor, not go on her behalf. So actually, I'm going to say this one's inappropriate but not awful, or appropriate but not ideal. One of those two. I'll say this one. Martha is medical student at university. She's staying in shared student accommodation, lives with her flatmate Owen, who's also a medical student. They're both medical students. Owen's been sad and has no friends. Oh, that's sad. Martha comes home late once and sees Owen crying hysterically. Oh no, this is so sad. Martha is worried that Owen may be intending to harm himself. Yikes. Okay. This is very inappropriate. Doing nothing. Report Owen for fitness to practice issues. Nah, that's not. That's pretty bad as well. Tell Owen's friends that he needs. That's also quite inappropriate, but it's not awful, I think. I don't know. I actually don't know at this point. I feel like I'm guessing all of these answers. I don't feel like I've got any sort of method to them. Okay. I love how the time is just trickling down. I'm just reading the chat right now. How are people looking forward to year 13? That is just because, like, I swear year 13 workload's going to be the same, if not worse, than year 12. Anyways, back to this. Explain to Samantha. Oh, wait, I need to read the text. So we've got a young woman who has come into the GP to see Dr. Smith. She has a bacterial infection and says that she could pass it on to other people. And is advised to take antibiotics, I don't know. She does not like the antibiotics and refuses to accept the prescription. Okay. And force her to accept the prescription. Surely that's very inappropriate. Yeah. Um, accept Samantha's decision without questioning her further. Also, I think I think it's either one of these two. I'll say this one. I'll say this one actually. No, I'll say this one. I'll say this one. No, I'll say this one. I don't know. Ask Samantha if she's currently living with anyone. I think that's a good thing to do, just to make sure. Very appropriate or appropriate? I'll go for that one. I honestly didn't think year 12 workload was that bad, to be honest. Like there were times that it was like difficult, but most of the time I had a lot of free time that I didn't have during GCSE time, I feel. Like I don't know. Like overall, year 12 as a year for me was really nice in terms of workloads. Maybe because I always kept to it and made sure that I didn't fall behind. That probably was a big factor why. Until the end of the year. End of the year things got a bit messy. Anyways, Dr. Jones has recently graduated and is working at a small dental practice and treating a young boy who's very restless and is getting increasingly anxious and agitated as Dr. Jones completes a procedure on him. Okay, the boy tells Dr. Jones to continue but is moving around a lot, making it very difficult to complete the procedure. I can't speak. Oh my gosh. I've got 1.5 weeks until this exam and I'm already like, what am I doing? Okay, stop the procedure and ask the. No, very inappropriate. Stop immediately and try and calm the boy down. I think I'm gonna say the fact that I'm moving around a lot as well now is just like, I'll say very appropriate or appropriate but not ideal. Yeah, I'll say this one actually. Continue as Dr. Jones is almost finished. I'll say that. That one. I'm actually dead inside right now. I don't want to do this anymore. It's gotten so boring. Okay, Beth, university student, recently became very stressed. Workload has been building up and she's struggling to keep on top of it all. She struggled to make friends, and the one she has made has become frustrated that Beth does not go out to party with them. Beth is worried that if she does not go out to party with her new friends, that she'll lose them. I'm sorry, but some of these scenarios are so weird. Oh, I love these. Okay. Apologize to friends and go out regularly to party with them. But I'm gonna say very inappropriate or inappropriate but not awful. Yeah, I'm gonna say very inappropriate actually. Speak to the head of her course and ask to defer her place at university for a year. Oh, that's a little harsh, I would say. I'd say inappropriate but not ideal, or I mean, inappropriate but not awful. I don't know. I've never seen a question like that one before. Go out with her friends but wake up earlier to fit in extra studying. I think that could work. I'll say that, but I think that might stress her out even more. Explain her situation to her new friends and agree to go out with them occasionally. That's a good idea. Stop speaking to her new friends. Okay, shush. Mental health is always important in these questions as well, and like social life you can't neglect like the work-life balance and stuff. Okay, Bart is in his last year at university and currently sitting his final exam. He knows how important the exam is, but is stuck on a question, begins to panic, and he looks over at his friend Lewis to see what he's written for that question. But before he looks, he sees that Lewis has been cheating. Oh, wait, what? So he was trying to cheat, but then notices that Lewis was cheating and then realized that he wasn't going to cheat. And okay, sure. Report Lewis, but lie about how he came across him cheating. Very inappropriate. Lying is always option D. I think I've learned, if I've learned one thing, I know that. Do not report Lewis. Also very very inappropriate, I think. Report himself for attempting to cheat, but not report Lewis. Okay, these are some odd scenarios. What? How does that make sense? So you're gonna report yourself, but you're not gonna report Lewis. Okay. Um, a group of first-year medical students are performing cardiovascular examinations on patients in a local hospital in order to practice for their clinical exam, which is in a few weeks. One of the students, Tobias, is examining Miss Davis, a young female patient. It's extremely important that Tobias learns how to perform the exam, that he practices it. Miss Davis consented to Tobias performing the cardiovascular exam. However, she's now begun to shout at Tobias and is becoming increasingly distressed about the procedure. Um, Very inappropriate to continue with the thing. Stop the exam and avoiding attempting it again. Appropriate but not ideal, I think. Uh, okay, what are these names? Pippa and David are both university students and are working on a group project together. David has finished half of his project, but Pippa does not seem to be communicating with David as to how far she is from completing hers. The report counts towards their final end of year grades, and David is getting very worried about how far Pippa is from finishing, and if Pippa does not hand in her project, David will fail the year. Dun dun. Okay. Make sure half the project is completed. Inappropriate but not awful, I think. Speak to the student advisor. I think that's very appropriate, I think. Praise Pippa for the work she's done so far to encourage her to work. What? Okay, that's strange, but I think it could work. Appropriate but not ideal. At this point, I'm just trying to get as many partial marks as I can. Okay, that's just silly. Reporting straight away. I don't think she's done anything to report. Also, why is Siri? Okay, there you go. I didn't mean to turn that. Okay. Last couple of questions in 3 minutes. The fact that I've been wasting so much time that timing is actually becoming a bit of an issue now. 3 minutes left. Okay, wrong leaflets basically. Very inappropriate. There we go. Very appropriate, I think. Okay. Very shy and shadowing can be harsh. No, she can be harsh. The consultant. Um, okay, I don't think reporting immediately is a good idea. So we're gonna go for very inappropriate. Apologize on behalf of the consultant. I'm pretty sure that's inappropriate but not awful or very inappropriate. I'm pretty sure you're not meant to apologize on behalf of someone else. So I'm gonna go for inappropriate but not awful. Help the nurse to discharge the patient without speaking to the consultant. Very inappropriate. Oh, I'm actually sick of this exam. I know I'm gonna do badly. I don't want to see my score. Okay, Heidi is a medical student on placement. Tristan's a fellow student as well. Had a seizure at a party. So he suffers from epilepsy. Okay, so once again, someone's driving to work despite the fact that they had a seizure. Basically, that's the okay. Um, that's 100% the worst one here. Advise Maya to confront Tristan about his driving or report the incident to the consultant. I think reporting is a better idea in this scenario. Um, Great. Just give me a second, guys. Hello, guys. So I'm back. I did run out of time on that last question there, which is embarrassing. How did I run out of time on a situational judgment test? I don't know. This entire test has been shambles and crazy, and I just want to see what I get at this point because I don't know if I'm gonna do well. Well, actually, no, I know that I'm not gonna do well. So I'm just gonna. I'm so scared. I don't know why I needed to do that. Let me just move that back out like that. Okay. So once again, as always, I'm gonna see the results first and just hope that they're not like 0, and then I'll show you guys what it is. And somehow we have 27 people on the stream, which is amazing. That's like so much more than usual. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching me suffer for the 2 hours that I've been doing this mock-in. But let me see what I get. My time's expired. Okay, I'm currently waiting on the marking test screen right now. Okay. Okay, guys, I kind of need to show you something. I saw my results and I can't lie. Let me just quickly add them up. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me get the calculator out. I'm actually okay. Okay, this is interesting. I think I have something to talk about here. Um, oh wait, what? I've just added them up. Okay, okay, that's well, I added them up and they're not like it's not the craziest of scores, but let me just show you what I got. So I managed to get a good like a fair score, I guess. It's not amazing. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but you know what? I'm actually quite happy about that. 600 plus 700 plus 650 plus 600. It's only 2,550, which I beat myself at least because I got 2,520 in the last one. So I did beat myself, which is good. And you know what? Verbal reasoning, what did I get? You know what? Let's compare. Let's compare. So I did worse on verbal reasoning. Okay, that's sad. I also did worse on decision making, but quantitative reasoning, I did pretty good compared to last time. And abstract reasoning, I also did much better. Overall, very good standard deviation graphs. But the thing that I'm really happy about is the band 1. I somehow got a band 1 when I ran out of time. That's amazing. That I can just okay, I can say that SJT is in the bag. At least if there's anything else that went wrong, at least SJT, I can say that okay, I don't need to worry about SJT anymore. So one of them, I finally managed to get where I want it to be. So that's great. But there is a lot of room to improve, especially in the other sections. Verbal reasoning could be a bit better. Decision making could definitely be better as well. Even though 700 is a great score, I still think that I could do better on decision making, and it doesn't reflect my ability of decision making very fairly. Quantitative reasoning, I'm actually quite happy about, considering the test felt quite bad. Abstract reasoning, though, that one I'm actually surprised about, especially the percentage difference here, the standard deviation. I've done significantly better than the average, so that's good. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really happy. I know it's not even like a crazy score. It's only 2,550, which is, if I saw that, I would be like, that's quite dead. But I'm actually, honestly, that's not that bad. I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. Let me see exactly what went wrong. So, in terms of verbal reasoning, 23 out of 44, that's okay. I mean, it could definitely be better. We got a lot of the insomnia questions wrong, and the tooth decay ones, okay. Ebola, okay. I'm going to, in my own time, actually make notes on exactly what went wrong. I can't even speak, but it's looking good. I think there's definitely improvement. There is improvement. That's all I need to. That's all I need to focus on so far. Oh my gosh. Considering this exam felt horrible as well, I'm just I'm just really happy that it didn't go as badly as I thought it would. So that's great. Thank you guys for your W's. That's so nice. Honestly, I don't even know. It's not that good. It's honestly, I don't think this is the greatest of scores. It's definitely not the highest I've gotten. But at the same time, I feel like I've achieved something that I haven't achieved before. Like overall in terms of like, I don't know, the band one really makes me very happy. I got this one wrong, which okay, sure, fine. This one was horrible. This one I got most of. Okay. So I think it looks like that for decision making, my overall accuracy was really good, but the only questions I really flopped were the yes no questions, which usually I'm good at, but I definitely need to do some practice on it now. I got this one wrong. Okay, fair enough. Oh, it was the answer I originally went for as well. But I managed to get every single one of the other Venn diagram questions, and I managed to guess these ones correctly, which is surprising. I don't know how that happened. And then quantitative reasoning, very good. I'm really proud of this. Okay, there's a lot of red. I spent so long on these questions as well, and I got them all wrong. Okay, well that's sad, but it's fine. Overall, very good. And I'm actually so happy, guys. I'm actually. I need to put some W in the chat as well. Oh my God. I did it. I actually did it. I mean, I haven't achieved my overall like score that I want to. Like by the end of this, I want to get a 2,900 at least once. But I don't even know if that's even going to be possible on Medify because these Medify mocks are so difficult. But I think it's a fair improvement. We did better on QR and AR, which were my two weakest sections, but we did worse on VR and DM, which were my two strongest sections at that time. So I'll take that as a win. And I got band one, so that's good. I went from band four yesterday to band one. So thank you so much. What should I do now? I think this exam's fully drained me at this point. But I'm going to hopefully I don't think I'll be able to stream tomorrow or like the day after, but I'll see if I can, I'll try and stream again. But yeah, that's literally it. I don't think I've got anything else to say. Should I do some more practice? I don't know. What do you guys want to see? Do you guys think that I should just stop or should I do a bit more practice before I finish? Maybe like a mini mock or something. I don't mind. It really depends what you guys want. Got some pizza here as well. I'm starving. So don't mind me if I'm casually munching on. Okay. AR mini mock 4. Let's see that. Which ones have I done? Because I've done a few of the AR mini mocks. Um. Oh, okay. So I've done mini mock 1, 2, and 5, but I haven't done 3 or 4 or 6. Okay, I can do 4. I don't mind. Should I do a cheeky 12-minute mock of AR? I might do that actually. Like 12 minutes is not much. Okay. I'll do I'll do a mini mock of AR. Hopefully I can improve my result of no, not this one. What was the other one? I think I got 600 in AR, which was what as an actual score. Let me check. If I can improve that, that would be good. So we got out of 50, we got 28. Okay, I think I can improve that. If I get more than 28, that would be a win. So let's do mini mock 4. Why mini mock 4? Is it difficult than usual or something? Is there any reason? I don't mind. I'll do it. See how it is. If it's impossible, then thank you very much for making me get like a 300 or something. But here's AR. AR is as I like to say, it's always based on luck. Really, you have to be lucky on this section. There is. Oh, you find it easier? Okay, that's good to know. That makes me feel confident then. Hopefully, I can do good on this then. As long as I get over 600, I'll count it as progress. Okay, I need to stop eating. I need to focus. I need to put myself in that mentality. Okay, I'm not going to speak because I don't have time to. But hopefully, I can do well in this section. How does it know I'm eating pizza right now? That's a bit suspicious. I don't know what's going on with this question. But it looks like Seppi. Say. Hmm. I don't know what neither is going to be for this one. I'm quite lost on the rule for these. Oh wait, I got this rule somehow. Triangle is wait, no, not triangle. Star is below this one. Oh no way. I'm actually surprised I'm getting these rules quite quickly. That's fine. I'm currently doing a mock right now, which is why I'm not talking. But hopefully, it's looking good so far, but we'll see. Wait, I finished all of them and I have 2 minutes. Huh? Wait, what? Now what is going on? There is no way I have this much time left. Okay, what am I meant to do now? I need to go to the questions. I was a bit unsure. This entire thing, I'd have no clue what is going on. Let me try and work this one out in the next 2 minutes. There's no way. I don't know what's going on. How is... Oh, and this one. I guessed all of these. So this one... I don't see it. I don't see what the rule is here. So I'm going to skip this one. Hopefully I can get this one. I think I got the rule. What? Okay. 1, 2. And I still have extra time. How? I don't get it. I don't know what happened with this section. How did I finish so early? Okay, now it's this singular one that I have no clue about at all. Mm, okay. I think I'm I think I'm done. I don't think I need to go over anymore. That went surprisingly well, but I don't want to say anything yet. Let's see what I get. Oh my. No, there's no way. There is no. Actually, I can't. No, that's not possible. Wait, what? 800. No. This isn't true. This isn't what usually happens. Usually I get 29 or something, or 27 or 26 out of 50. I've never gotten anything above. I don't even think I've gotten anything above 30 before. What? No. What? So what was it here? Oh, wait, what? How did I get this one wrong? Huh? Oh, wait, yeah, never mind. I didn't see that. I could have gotten that one. That wasn't even the rule I thought of, and I somehow managed to get the rest of the answers. This one, yeah, that's too much. I'm not reading that. This one, I didn't. Okay, I don't know. I'm too. What was the rule here? One is grey, two are black, three are white. Is that it? Oh, okay. I overthought that one. No, there's no way. There is no way I went from 600 earlier today over here to 800. I went from 28 to 42. On Medify as well. You usually do horrible on the Medify ones. Guys, I think that is enough to wrap it up with. That I need to wait. I need to take a photo of this. I need to send this to everyone I know now. There's no way I'm getting 800 on a abstract reasoning. Okay. I'm still lost for words. Okay, thank you for recommending Mock 5 to me because it's now Mock 4, sorry, mini Mock 4 has actually improved my mood so much. Oh, if only this was the real thing now. That would be so beautiful. Okay. I think that concludes the UCAT revision session today. So thank you guys for sticking around.